Rust-Oleum Varathane Triple Thick Polyurethane. Fast application, beautiful finish. Varathane Triple Thick Polyurethane is 3 times thicker than traditional polyurethane, so you can finish your project 3 times faster. All you need is just 1 coat due to the advanced leveling formula. Traditional polyurethanes typically require 3 coats with hours of dry time in between. Triple Thick Polyurethane is just 1 step and provides equal protection for your project, saving you time. Best of all, applying Triple Thick Polyurethane is a breeze. Before applying, always read the label instructions and make sure the surface is clean and free of any dust, grease, wax, and other contaminants. Next, stir the contents thoroughly yet slowly using a stir stick. Do not stir briskly or shake the can. This can create air bubbles that could appear on the surface. It's a good idea to test the finish on a small hidden spot first. With a high-quality synthetic bristle brush, apply Triple Thick directly over fully cured stain or paint. To get that sleek finish you want, always apply in the direction of the wood grain in 1 thick, smooth, and uniform coat. Then simply let the project dry. It'll be dry to the touch in 2 hours and ready for light use in 48 hours. Cleanup is easy too. Just use soap and water. Varathane Triple Thick gives you a beautiful finish while protecting against scratches and stains. And with a 1-coat formula, you'll finish your project 3 times faster.